Hi guys, just a little peek at a time lapse I'm doing. It's been giving me no end of trouble. That's the third camera that I'm using on it. The other two have failed. I've got something out of them, but I haven't actually got a continuous time lapse. So I'll have to try and stitch it together somehow. I just thought I'd give you a little peek or a preview. This has been going for just over a week now. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.